yung pinakahuling tanong. After this, we can already rest. Okay? So, last problem is this. We have no principal and no interest amount again. We still have to apply the same formula that I told you here. Okay? Pero, plot twist. Our time unit is from this date up to that date. Kaya lang, it says up to the present. Hanggang na yun. Pero during that time, when I did that was 2022. As you can see in my solution sheet, I will show you my solution sheet first. But if I were to do it now, it has to be separate. Okay? So let's do na lang the one now. Because what's the date today? Today is October 10. October 10, 2024. And the interest rate is 25% per month. Moreover, our future value is 200,000 pesos in exact amount. Ibig sabihin, this is the amount in exact interest. Not in ordinary interest. It's exact talaga. Kaya nga, how do we do that? Here's the point. Ganito yung ginawa ko sa solution. First, ang ginawa ko dito ay timeline. Di ba remember sabi ko sa iyo, ang ginawa ko dito ay timeline. So, working out with the timeline, di ba remember this the first one? First of all, di ba remember sabi dito, in exact interest. So, therefore, we're using the exact time. Ganito kasi yun. Okay. So, now we have the sum of 20. Di ba remember that's from July 12. Ano yung sabi ko? From July 12, 2015. Then plus 31. August 2015. September 2015 is 30. October, then November hanggang December. And that is from November 2015. That's 2015, di ba? And we're supposed to have 173 days. Now, from 2016 to 2023, ito yung ginawa ko. So, from 2016, we have 366 days. Kasi nga, ang ginawa ko dati, if you were to look at my solution sheet, ang ginawa ko ay ganito. You want to see? Wait lang po, I think it's the wrong paper. Ayan. So, this is what I did before. So, ang ginawa ko dati ay, wait lang ah. So, ang ginawa ko ay ganito. From July 12 to July 31 is 20 days. And 31 days, di ba, that's August, September, October, and that's supposed to be, ano yun? 31 days, so that's 3, so that's 60, so that's 93. And then 30 days, 60. And then for 6 years, we're supposed to have 2,192. Kasi nga, diba, remember, we have to multiply that by, ano yun? We have to add one more day. Diba? And then February 2022, yun nga. So that's the solution. So if I were to work this out separately, ganito kasi yun. So ganito kasi yun. Diba, remember, this is 20 days. 20 plus 31 plus 31 plus 30. Tama. Tama nga. That's supposed to be, ano yun, plus 31. So that's supposed to be, ano yun? Ah! Wait. I think I got it wrong. Kasi nga, ang ginawa ko ay, ano yun? From July. Kasi nga, ang ginawa ko, that timeline, that's supposed to be, ano yun? Kasi nga, diba, remember, that was July. Ah, kaya pala, maybe siguro that's the reason why. Teka lang ah. Ah, forgot to add a 30. Kasi diba, remember, this is July, August, September, October, last November to December. So, dapat we're supposed to get 173. Tapos, di ba remember, ito yun. Di ba remember from 2016 to 2022, di ba ito yung solution sheet ko, di ba? 2016 to 2022. Dapat, it's 6 years. So, therefore, it's 365 times 6. Then, add 2. Dahil may leap year na dalawa. And that's 2016 to 2020. And dapat we're supposed to have 2,192 days. Yun po yung mangyayari. Okay? And then, we have up to February 2000, and then we have February 2022. Ah, kaya pala may isang isa, kasi nga we also include the January. And then, January to February, that's supposed to be, ano yun? Ay, kasi nga that's up to the present. Kasi nga ang ginawa ko, it's like this. And then we have 31, that's January 2022, plus, ano yun? And dapat we're supposed to get 224. So dapat 2424. So how many days is that? Ito yung ginawa ko. Subtract minus the sum of all the numbers that you see here. 2015, time lapse until 2022 up to January 2022. So for February, tama. That was supposed to be 28. Tama. I think I answered that. That's February 28, 2024. 2022 pala. So that was February 28 pala when I answered that. Biro mo pagkatapos yung year. And that's when I got the answer. Diba, this is 2015, diba? Yung 173. Tapos ito yung 2016 hanggang sa December 2021. Tapos January 2022. Hanggang sa bandang dulo, which is February 2022, February 28, 2022. And that's why I got 2,424 days in that time. And then ang ginawa ko ay ganito. I convert that into 1 year. So divide by 365. Diba? Pero, catch is, it's per month. So, ang gusto ko ay per month. So, I have to divide. So, therefore, I divide by 30 days. Pero, you wanted the exact amount. So, therefore, if you want the exact amount, convert it to years first, and then 1 year's worth 30 days. 1 year's worth 12 months. That's the exact. Pero, never mind na kasi ang ginawa, I just did this 2 years ago. And that was February 2022. But we're talking about right now at 2024. Pero let's say, for instance, if we were to do this during that time, this is already the time and we're gonna have so much. Opo! Yes! Yan. So, therefore, that is the amount. At saka, I need to eat already. So, therefore, we have to make this fast. Okay? So, let's go now to the present. Okay. I'm shooting, di ba? Sige nga, let's go na to the next. Okay. And then, di ba remember, we have this one. We're supposed to have 173. Tapos, di ba remember, why do I have 2,922? Kung sa mo last time, I'm supposed to have 2,192. Ito kasi yun. Di ba? Ito yung 2016. Hanggang sa 2019. 2020. Hanggang sa 2023. So, yun nga yung hanggang sa 2023. Tapos, yung 2024, yun na po. Di ba remember, what's the date today? October 10. So, 31, that's January, February, my leap year. Kasi nga, 2024, year of the dragon, that's when I was born. In the year of the dragon, dahil 2000 ako. So, 29, March, 31, April, 30, May, 31, June, 30, 31, 31, 30. Tapos, hanggang na yun, which is October 10. And therefore, the answer is 284 days. Alam mo how many days na lang before Christmas? Can you compute that? Never mind. That's a miscellaneous question. And then all we have to do is to sum the number of days from 2015 up to the present. And that is 3,379 days. Grabe, ang hirap. Ang layo. Now we are going to convert that into months. But before that, we're gonna convert that to years. So nasaan yung solution sheet ko? Ganito kasi yun. So, di ba, remember ito yung kinong-compute ko, di ba? Remember the 3,379 days that I got earlier? And now, we're gonna have to divide that by 365. So, therefore, to get this, I get this. 3,379 divided by 365 to give you 9.25 years. Parang it's like 1/4 of a year. Di ba? Parang 1/4 na to, ah. And then, the 9.25 years, I have to convert that into months. So, I have to multiply it by 12. And we're supposed to get 111 months or 111.1 months. And that's exactly what I did here. Where is it na ba? Yan. So, yun yung ginawa ko. Ito yung ginawa ko. So, E26 divide by 365. And then times 12. Because divide by 365 because you're going to convert that into years. And then times 12 because from years, you're going to convert that to months. Because it's asking you per month. Diba? And now we already have 111.09 days. Now, to solve for the principal and the interest, that implies the recent formula that we've learned. So, here's what we're gonna do. Diba, remember, sabi ko sa'yo, ito yung principal. So, ang ginawa ko, the future value, divide by whatever answer you get. Diba, remember, P times P1 plus R times rate. Rate times the product of, plus the product of the rate and the time. So, ito yung ginawa ko. So, dito yung future value, F28, which is this one. 200,000. Divide by 1 plus the product of the two. Okay? And we're supposed to get, what's the answer? The answer is, the answer is 6,951.05 pesos. That is my principal that I had during the time at 2015. Pero let's say, if I were to get the future value of this one, 20,000, how much interest should I have gotten by the end of the term? And that is when I have to subtract. So when subtracting these two numbers, wow, laki naman! 193,048 pesos. Parang what you all this, mayaman ako after working hard for 9 years. Diba? So yan. And that's it. So that's our video about simple interest.